freezing and you need something to drink. So this is cool. This is awesome. It's very typical Mexican, but remember, sign up down below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that little bell, and you'll be up to date with everything that I'm doing in the heavy metal cooking style. So, con esto, un poco de Mexico for you guys during the winter time. This is a really good favorite. Never mind the other hot chocolate stuff. This is the stuff ABUELITA. So, real simple. You can get these. I believe you can get them on Amazon. If I do find them, I'll put the link down below. Basically, this is it, right? So this is what you need. It's simple. One of these hockey pucks, basically, with 4 cups of milk. Do not boil the milk too much when you burn it. Okay? So automatically put it on high. There's 2 cups right there. Just put it in once the milk starts to get warm. Don't put it in too early because it's a little bit. It's heavy stuff, man. Right now I gotta put on the rest of the milk. If you want it a little bit watered down, if it's too thick, you can always add like a 1/4 cup more and half a cup more. But generally, this is how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Bring that up to a bit of a stir it occasionally. But this stuff, man, this is the best. New Year's morning, Christmas morning. And if you want to take it to the next level, put a little bit of rum in it, a little bit of tequila, whatever you like, whatever you got, a little bit of brandy, no brandy. Girls rum. Standard stock. That's it. Which the Mexican stuff, and we got the pump there. See? Alright, so let that kind of warm up a little bit. It's going to take a while. Sometimes you can break this stuff, but basically once it's heated up, you'll be good to go. Not recommended to eat like a chocolate bar because it doesn't taste the same. So, alright. Let that boil, and we'll come right back. Alright, so now we're at over 115. Where you want it. You don't have a thermometer, don't worry about it. But basically that's it. And then it'll break up with the heat of the milk. Spoon. Basically, it's already starting to break down. But remember, not to bring it to a complete boil. You don't want that. Already breaking up. Please don't stir. Okay, so it's starting to break down into pieces. Basically, and just if you're expecting like a dark chocolatey thing, you know, like Hershey's or something, it's not gonna look like that, but it's gonna look almost like color of Ovaltine. That makes sense to you? Like over tan in Mexico, not quite brown, but it looks like another handbag. Yeah. Hot chocolate. All right. Thinking hot chocolate. What metal bands did Christmas albums? I know Megadeth did one, Slayer did a couple songs, Winger did back in the day. Comment down below, so who did some heavy metal Christmas songs? I know Megadeth, they were on either David Letterman or something. So maybe it's cold outside. So getting there. Not bad. You're pretty much almost there. Pretty much almost there. Another thing, my wife, she says, so we said rum, we said tequila. You can get like the Patron coffee tequila to put in there. Bailey's would be another good one. Kahlua. Possibilities are endless. You know, just make sure you don't give it to the kid. Unless you want to go through it. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. I think this is pretty much covered. Just keep it stirring. The more you keep it stirring, it prevents it from burning up. Total metal issues. Absolutely. And that's it. So if you want some traditional, a little bit of Mexicano, poquito, muy bien. It's good. You can basically take it off. We are golden. That's it. Okay, so yeah, okay, I went a little darker. Have a look. So when you start mixing it, the chocolate kind of comes in. All right. If you have a little bit of whipping cream, you can do that on top of it. Oh, so good. This stuff is just delicious. Awesome. Remember, it's hot, right? Oh, that is awesome. So, remember, for your cold nights, you want something a little more traditional, Mexicano, Abuelita is the way to go. All right, thanks for watching. Stay metal, subscribe, stay frosty, maybe stay warm. Cheers.